Ako yung naghihab.
Hello again mga ka-journey and welcome again to Melba's Journey Money Making Online. So on today's video guys, we're gonna introduce to you naman. So this is also an apps here in Hong Kong. It's very useful because I think this is the very sa na-experience ko, ito na yung pinakamura na internet plan here in Hong Kong. So that is based on my experience. So if you want to try this, you must watch this video until the end. So let's dive into our topic. So syempre kapag wala ka pa niyan, mag-i-install ka lang. But first of that, you must buy a SIM card in any park and shop store or Watson store, okay? So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. So, yung makikita nyo. Ayan. So, ito yung apps niya. So, about this app, let's check. Ayan, syempre, introduce muna natin. About this app, new SIM management experience for our sosim users. Introducing the new SIM management experience for our sosim users. So, ayan, now you can check your SIM usage, purchase new package, and top up in just a few taps. Join us in exploring the new user experience of prepaid SIM. Bisaya man. SIM. So, dito sa apps nila, mag-check mo yung balance, mamamonitor mo yung data usage, at makakapag-top up ka via Parking Shop Watsons at sa mga Alipay. So, ayan, makakapag-purchase ka ng roaming pass and value-add services, and 3i chat online support. So, ayan. So, first step, so, i-install mo muna yan. Okay, kung wala ka pa. Pero kapag dahil meron na ako, so, let's just open it. So, ito yung itsura niya. When you start this, open this up. So, syempre, ang lalabas, registered. So, you're just gonna register your SIM number. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. So, ayan, let's see. Ayan, so, about sosim. Ayan, so ito yung sosim nila. Ito yung itsura niya, guys. Ayan. Get yours now. So 33 Hong Kong dollars siya. Ayan, get sosim at online store, parking shop, or on Watson online store. So sosim mobile app, enjoy sosim, so simple. So easier to check account information of data and voice usage and card validity. Applied hottest service package by mobile app. And after successful payment at Park and Shop and Watson store, the top-up value will be loaded to your account instantly. So, yan. So easy, so convenient, and so value for money. So, ang itsura niya, guys, is ganito. Ayan, ito. Okay, here. Ito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, bibili niyo yan sa Park and Shop or sa Watson, worth 33 Hong Kong dollars. At pag nabili nyo na yan, so i-register nyo lang siya dito sa sosim app. So yung number niyan, i-register nyo siya dito sa sosim app. So ito yung laman ng inyong SIM card. So in $33 Hong Kong dollars, meron ka ng 30 days 50 GB infinity local data recurring package. Okay? So ito nga pala, so meron silang promo ngayon pag bumili kayo from July 30 to August 31. So, magkakaroon kayo ng 193 GB. Ayan. And service activation within 60 days of purchase can enjoy the upgraded 193 GB local data. So, napaka-laki niyan with 42 Mbps at napakabilis pa. Tapos, syempre, meron din sila mga free 500 SMS. So, ayan. So, ang validity nito, yung 193 GB ata is 120 days siya. So, di ba? So, ito yung kanilang mga package. Ayan. Tapos, mayroon din silang connected sila sa money back. So, magkakaroon kayo ng 10 times money back activation and recharge bonus. So, ito magkakaroon tayo ng another video for this apps money back. So, ano din yan? Bonus, parang bonus rewards apps din siya. So, ayan, hindi na natin yan masyadong itatakol. So, ito yung kanilang bagong promo. May bago silang promo dito na yung latest promotion. So, ito ay yung TikTok special reward nila. Ayan. So, TikTok to special rewards. So, ang expiry date pa nito ay sa September 30, no? So, unang-una mong gagawin, ayan, pagka complete lang daw yung below action items on or before September 30, ayan, magkaka-earn ka na ng free grips set with a total value over $60. So, una, mobile number porting, real name registration, and recharge sosim for $50 or above at Park and Shop or Watson after August 6, 2021. So, ayan. In nutshell, if you completed the 3 actions, you can get basket of rewards including 20 Hong Kong dollars bonus and a 90-day social data and night fever package. So, ayan. Grab the chance to win over $100 value of prizes. Ayan. So, click natin yung details na yan. So, ito yung TikTok to. So, ayan. Sa sosim real name registration. So, na-try ko na to. Mag-upload kayo ng Hong Kong ID. So, ayan. Yung level ba? Ayan, makaka kayo ng 20 Hong Kong dollars. Ayan. sosim cash coupon at saka 10 Park and Shop or Watson coupons. Tapos, ito yung mobile number portability reward. Ito yung, halimbawa, CSL ka, tapos gusto mong gawing sosim na siya. So, ipoport mo lang yung number mo para magpapalit ka lang ng linya, ganon. Pero same number. So, gusto ko rin itong itry kasi, so once na successful siya, magkakaroon ka na ng free 90 days social media data. Diba? 90 days na yun. So, it's 3 months. Hindi magkakaroon ka pa ng so, yun yung value niya, 24 Hong Kong dollars. Tapos yan, kapag ka nag-recharge ka, magkakaroon ka ng 1 bottle of designated 1 sudden drinks for free. So, ayan, pag nakompleto mo yung tatlo, ay magkakaroon ka ng over 60 Hong Kong dollars na bonus, guys. So, ayan, i-click nyo lang to. Ayan, yung real name registration. Ayan, na-try ko yan, Hong Kong ID, mag-upload. Itong mobile number portability, so bala ko na siyang, yung dati kong CSL, so ipoport ko na siya sa sosim. Kasi yung CSL or sa mga ibang SIM card, diba, kailangan pa ng, loadan siya monthly para hindi ma-expired. So ito, ang validity niya is 365 days, so that is 1 year. Kahit di mo yata siya loadan, so pwede. So, ayan yung latest promotion nila today, guys. So, if you want this free, ayan, bonuses and very cheap data here in Hong Kong, so you can try this out. So, ayan. Home lang natin. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. So, yung makikita mo dyan yung SIM card number. Tapos, dito yung kung ano yung plan mo. Tapos, ito, napakamura nung eto, guys, so ito yung aking unang unang plan na nabili, yung 33, yun nga, yung pagbili ko ng SIM card. So ito yung itsura niya, ayan. Okay. So ayan, ipipicture ko na lang yung kanilang SIM card. Basta mabibili yan sa Park and Shop at saka sa Watson. Tapos ito, tingnan mo yung ang mura nung kanilang, ito, pag pinress mo yung add value, so pwede ka mag-top up bara. Ayan, so pwede ka mag-top up para via Park and Shop and Watson. So ayan, ipipresent mo lang din yung iyong QR code. So parang sa Alipay din siya. Pero pwede ka mag-online recharge. So ayan, gamit mo, pwede kang gumamit ng credit card, Alipay at saka Union Pay. O, diba? So napaka-easy. Napaka-easy niya mag-top up, guys. And meron ako ditong, eto guys, yung kanilang local data price. So, yan, meron silang 1 day local data, $10 per day, 2 days may $18, 7 days, $25, and yung 30 days nila, ayan. So, 33 Hong Kong dollars lang yung 30 days nila. And, 50 GB na to, guys, 50 GB, to 60 GB na nga ngayon, with, ayan, so after daw nung 30 days, meron na siyang 128 kbps na lang. So, medyo mabagal na siya kapag after na ng 1 month. if hindi mo naubos yung 60 GB. Pero di ba napakalaki niyan. Tapos ito yung 90 days nila. So this is 3 months. So it's just, you see, it's just $88 pero 120 GB na siya. So I think ito na yung pinakamataas na GB dun sa mga na-experience kong SIM card. And ayan, so ang mura niya guys. $88 lang. I think yung mga iba, $88, 1 month lang yun. And malakas din naman yung data niya. Connection niya kasi, ayan, so syempre partner siya ng Park and Shop tsaka ng Watson. So yun lang guys, at sana, ayun, kung gusto nyo lang i-try, nga pala, ito yung aking, ayan, yung ating referral code. So, ayan, may invite friends dyan. So, ayan, invite your friends. Ayan, syempre may promo to invite your friends to buy a sosim from Park and Shop and enter your referral code. You can enjoy the rewards below. So, ayan, meron din silang, ayan, so may marireceive ka na 30 days, 50 GB. May $5 pa na cash coupon dun sa referrer. Syempre, yung na-invite, 30 days, 50 GB din. So, ito pa, mayroon silang invite 10 friends to earn extra rewards. Ayan, for every 10 successful rewards, the referrer can receive an extra $50 Park and Shop coupon. Ayan, so limit lang siya sa first 30 referrers. So, hindi siya unlimited. So, yung final price, ayan, from now to September 30, the referrer who invites the most new sosim users accumulatively can receive a Samsung A42 5G mobile phone. Ayan. So, ito yung ating, ayan guys, yung ating referral code. Don't forget to put